Today's low-cost drones are far more user-friendly and include high-end features like intelligent flight control, camera stabilization, GPS locking, and even 4K footage. Whether you're a complete beginner or you're looking to improve your skills with the drone, our list of the 7 most affordable drones has a choice for you. Number 7. RYZE TELLO. To start with, RYZE is a flight technology designed by DJI, and it's worth checking out if you're looking for a little but capable drone. The TELLO is only 80 grams and 98 millimeters wide at its widest point and hovers on the spot without GPS. It features a camera with digital image stabilization that can take 720p video and 5 megapixel stills. Although the RYZE was made to use indoors, it can also be flown outside if the wind isn't too strong because, without GPS on board, it could drift with the breeze and may not make it back to you. Unlike the RYZE, which is smaller in size, we have a drone on our list that is bigger in size and delivers good results. So keep watching if you are curious about this bigger drone. Number 6. Holystone HS110D. Our next best drone to buy is relatively simple and to fly. The Holystone HS110D makes our list of the best affordable drones because it's one of the few at this price point with a 1080p camera. It offers better video quality, making it a fantastic place to start for aspiring videographers. It is 12.6 by 12.6 by 4.6 inches in size and has an 8-minute flight time. This drone is easier to control, and it's suitable for everyone, including beginners, and is a good choice for those looking to learn how to fly a drone for the first time. On Amazon's customer review website, a user of the HS110D wrote, "The HS110D is an amazing camera drone. The app is completely different from the one I have for my other drone, HS160. It is so much better. The app for the HS110D is very clean and refined. Not to mention that there is a fairly accurate battery indicator inside of the app." Number 5. HUBSAN X4H501SS. Furthermore, the HUBSAN X4 has a built-in GPS that makes it easy to fly outside and enables useful advanced features like altitude hold and follow me. The drone can then track you autonomously to return to its takeoff spot if the transmitter signal goes off or the battery runs out. The fixed 1080p camera on the X4 isn't spectacular, but it's still fantastic. The X4H501SS has the highest flight distance of 400 meters and can stay airborne for up to 13 minutes in approximately 20 minutes. However, we recommend purchasing an additional battery because the supplied one can last up to 210 minutes to charge fully. If you require a drone that comes with 2 batteries and doesn't take too long to charge completely, then we have a great option here on our list. Number 4. POTENSIC D58 GPS Drone. In addition, the POTENSIC D58 is another best budget drone to buy for those looking to take their first steps into the air. It offers an outstanding array of capabilities at a reasonable price. It comes with a variety of flight modes, including 360 orbit, return to home, and follow me, as well as a decent 2K 120 camera that does the job but lacks image stabilization. Nonetheless, if you keep the drone in a constant hover, you may get some magnificent aerial shots. This drone has an average flying length of 18 minutes per battery charge and is a lot of fun to fly, thanks to its complete dual GPS and 5G Wi-Fi transmission. If you had this drone in your possession, would you fly it every day? Thumbs up if you will. Number 3. UDI U818A FPV Drone. Furthermore, the UDI U818A FPV drone is a drone that is bigger in size and performs admirably. It is largely the built-in rotor blade guards that account for the majority of its size. Its camera can record video at 720p resolution and save it to a micro SD card that plugs into the camera's rear. The companion software available for iOS and Android allows you to control the drone and shows a 480p video preview. These settings can be increased to 720p, but it becomes unstable when the drone is more than 20 to 25 feet away. The 350 mAh battery provides roughly 8 to 10 minutes of flight time, and 2 batteries are provided. It's a terrific choice for individuals who want maneuverability, stability, and long battery life. Number 2. Holystone HS100. Moving forward, the Wi-Fi-controlled Holystone HS100 is a great place to start if you're looking for a best drone 2022 to explore the potential of aerial photography. An amazing fact about HS100 is the 120-degree field of view and a 90-degree adjustable angle, which allows you to create magnificent footage and capture every minute of your environment from a bird's eye view. It also has a Follow Me mode, which is available to enhance the dynamics of your images by allowing the drone to automatically follow and keep a subject in the frame at all times. Perfect for epic selfies or photographing fast-moving action. Number 1. DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 may be tiny, but it has a lot of punch, and it's perfect for carrying around. The DJI Mini 2 has a maximum battery life of 31 minutes, which gives you plenty of time to frame the perfect photo. Mini 2 can run up to 38 kilometers per hour and fly at a maximum altitude of 4,000 meters. The DJI Mini 2 has better performance in the wind and ensures stable footage even when flying along a windy shore or high above a mountainous forest. Drones are becoming more and more famous, and it's not hard to see why. They're a lot of fun to fly and can be used for various purposes. We hope you found our 7 most affordable best drones in 2022 helpful. Subscribe to our channel for similar interesting videos. See you soon in the next video.